So welcome to this Work Smarter, Not Harder video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to request books from other libraries. So first, we're going to want to start at the library website, sdfx.ca/library, and then using the NovaNet search box, we'll want to search the name of the book or article that you're looking for. So let's say we're looking for Page Boy, a memoir. So here you'll see that it comes up, but it says available at other libraries, request item. So you can just click this link right here, and it will prompt you to sign in if you're not already signed in. So I'm just going to click that. And I'm signed in, so now this button appears, which says request from other libraries. So we're going to do that because it's not available in our own institutional libraries. You'll then be taken to this form. So if you only need specific pages or chapters of this book, you can click on that. Or if you want the whole book, you can leave it, and then the title, author, edition, all this information is already filled out for you. You can choose your preferred pickup institution, and you can choose your preferred pickup library. So we're going to click on SDFX McDonald Library. You can add any comments you might have, and then you just have to click this button to certify that it's being sought for fair dealing purposes, and any copying will be in accordance with the Copyright Act. Once you've done that, you can just click Send Request, and you'll get a confirmation email from the library, and you'll get another email when the book is available at your own library to pick up. So it's been sent through the mail from the library that it's at, and it's been sent directly to you. So that's all for this Work Smarter, Not Harder video. We hope that this was helpful in helping you access the resources you need.